day 3 of social studies, and we're here to talk about the Townshend Acts today. Now, in the previous lesson, you read about the Stamp Act. This was a law that the King of Great Britain passed that required the colonists to pay taxes on any printed papers. And as you read, and as you can imagine, the colonists were not very happy with this. They didn't like being told what to do and paying the extra money. And so actually, they complained loud enough and long enough that the King of Great Britain relented and he repealed the Stamp Act. Repealed basically means to take away. The colonists protested enough that the king said, "Alright, forget it. It's not worth it." But the king was not content to leave it at that. He realized that he couldn't really truly enforce the Stamp Act. He had no way of making the colonists pay the tax. He was across the ocean. So he took it away, but he said, even though I took away the Stamp Act, just so you know, I still have the power to make you pay taxes. Even though I took that one away, I still am allowed to do it if I want. You have to listen. You have to pay them. And that's when he passed these new laws, the Townshend Acts. And the colonists, as you might imagine, just like with the Stamp Act, they were not very happy. As you read your article today and answer the questions, you're going to learn specifically why they were not happy with these new laws.